everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create the amazing trending AI photo effect called Spirit Summoner using Google, Gemini, Nano Banana. It's super easy and you can do it with just one photo and one simple prompt. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then log in using your Google account. And then next, once you're in, just tap on create image, this one to access the Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images. This is just same ways. And then next, just upload your photo. Just pick a picture where your face or pose is clear, because the AI will use that to build the final image. To upload the photo, just tap on plus icon and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. Now this is the fun part. In here, let's type a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it, and then using Google Lens, just copy it and paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to customize it however you want, to match your styles or to match the details that you like. Like maybe you can replace the young man with your own name or add a different scenes. Maybe like change the spirit animal or the lighting tone or another details. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I will just copy my prompt, and then I will go back to Gemini, paste the prompt, and then generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, just there it is. You will get the result like this. Like it looks so cinematic and fantasy-like, just like those trending air photo that you've been seeing on Instagram or TikTok. Next, if you like the result, you can download it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make this spirit summoner AI photo using Gemini Nano Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.